Welcome to our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. A is for ant, B is for ball, C is for car, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for flower, G is for gift, H is for hammer, I is for igloo, J is for jellyfish, K is for keyboard, L is for lemon, M is for mango, N is for noodles, O is for orange, P is for parrot, Q is for question mark, R is for rose, S is for sun, T is for tree, U is for U-turn, V is for vase, W is for watch, X is for X-Mix cookies, Y is for yuck, Z is for zoo. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.